And now moving on to more updates coming from India. The probe into the alleged murder of Pune businessman Ketan Agarwal has entered a crucial phase. Investigators are piecing together what they believe is a carefully planned conspiracy. Agarwal's fiancée, Sia Goyal, and her alleged lover, Chetan Chaudhary, are accused of pushing Ketan into a jar off the Lohagarh fort on June 18th. During questioning, the accused have reportedly blamed each other. While Chetan has allegedly claimed that Sia masterminded the murder plot, Sia has reportedly maintained that Chetan pushed Ketan off the cliff. Investigators are verifying both versions with forensic, technical and electronic evidence. Police is also examining a CCTV footage that has emerged of the two accused. Footage reportedly shows Sia meeting Chetan at a cafe in Pune hours before the fatal incident. According to police, it was at this meeting that the two allegedly conspired the murder. Police says that they discussed and identified specific locations on the fort from where Ketan could be pushed. In the afternoon, Sia took Ketan to Lohagarh fort, while Chetan followed them separately. According to the police, the pair pushed Ketan from behind into a gorge. Sia later told Ketan's family that he had slipped during the trek. Police are also probing whether there was an earlier failed attempt to kill Ketan. The couple visited the fort on May 31st. Sia then pressed for another visit 4 days later on June 4th, but Ketan's mother did not permit it. On June 14th, Goyal again persuaded Ketan to go, and during that visit, she allegedly tried to push him off the cliff. Ketan managed to hold on to a bush. When he asked why she had pushed him, Sia claimed that there had been a snake and suggested she had helped protect him. Meanwhile, Sia's parents have publicly distanced themselves from their daughter. Her father, Praveen Goyal, has called for strict action against the culprits. He also contested Sia's claim that she has expressed her displeasure over the marriage.
मेरी बड़ी पीड़ा ये है कि जो भी है, जिसने जो भी ये किया है, उसे सख्त से सख्त सज़ा मिले। और जैसे हमारा केतन जिस किले से गिरा है, इसमें जो भी आरोपी पाया जाए, उसमें भले मेरी खुद की बेटी क्यों ना हो, उसे भी वहीं से धक्का दे दिया जाए।
Sia's mother described Ketan as a good boy and said her daughter should be given the strictest punishment if she is found guilty.
में दोष हो तो उसे सख्त से सख्त सजा होनी चाहिए, चाहे उसमें मेरी बेटी भी हो। अगर मेरी बेटी का दोष निकले तो जहाँ से केतन जी को गिराया गया या जो गिरे हैं, वहाँ से ही उस दोषी को गिराया जाए।
And for more on this, WION's principal correspondent Disha Yadav has sent us this report from Mumbai. Take a look.
Well, that is right. The investigation into the Ketan Agarwal death case has entered a crucial phase where both the accused Sia and Chetan are putting blame on each other for the murder during the custodial questioning. As per the Pune police, Chetan has alleged that Sia was the mastermind. She did not wanted to marry him, and that is why she wanted him to be killed and out of her way. So Chetan helped her in doing so. On the other side, Sia has allegedly denied being the mastermind, and she claimed that it was Chetan who helped her plan the entire murder conspiracy, and it was Chetan who pushed Ketan off the cliff because she couldn't do so at the end hour. Now, police say that they are not really relying solely on their statements, and they will verify their claims by collecting as many evidences possible, like the technical as well as the forensic evidence. New CCTV footage has also come to light where 24 hours before the crime, both the accused met at a Pune cafe. Now they say that the next course of action is to collect as many CCTV footages possible and collect all the digital evidences also and reconstruct the crime scene. So that Pune police is expected to do in a day or two. This is Disha reporting here for WION from Mumbai.